Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a precise selection with Lasso Tool in Photoshop. And this is a detailed guide. We will also dive deeper into techniques for making precise selection with Lasso Tool, overview of the 3 different kinds of Lasso Tool, and demonstrating of various selection scenarios. So let's get started. You can find the Lasso Tool on the left side of your screen. It looks like a loop rope icon. For the shortcut key of it, you just have to press letter L. And if you right click on it, you will see that there are different kinds of lasso tool. First one is the standard lasso tool. The other one is the polygonal lasso tool. And the third one is the magnetic lasso tool. But first, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to use the standard lasso tool into this mountain. Well, a lasso tool is a tool that lets you draw freehand selection around object or areas in your image. You simply click and drag what you want to select. So just like what I've did here, you can see that I just created a circle around this mountain. Let's undo this one and let's make it a better one. Alright, so to start, just click and drag your mouse from the one that you want to select. For example, I want to select this trees over here. Okay, and also this part. And then let's connect it from where we start. Alright, now we already created an outline there. But you will notice that it's not really perfect because that there are parts that I haven't outlined. And there are also some excess outline. But there's a way to fix it. To do that, you will go up here. And then this one here shows you can add a selection. And next to it, this one shows that you can subtract from selection. Okay, so let's use first the subtract. So let's remove the excess of it. So just like this is an excess. Now you can see that in my mouse cursor, there is a subtract sign. Now, you just have to click and drag from the part that you want to remove. And there you go, it was removed. Okay, also this part. Okay, going to the add selection. Now you can see mouse cursor turn into a plus sign. You just have to click and drag on the part of the image that you want to outline. So something like that. Alright, so that's how it's used. And now if you're done outlining the selections, now let's remove the background. So that's an easy thing. Just have to go here and click this add layer mask on your layer. And voila. By the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other nerds like us. Now let's continue. Let's go to this another document of mine. And here, now I'm going to show you how is polygonal lasso tool works. So, to find a polygonal, you just have to right click this lasso tool here, and then below lasso tool is the polygonal lasso tool. A polygonal lasso tool allows a user to create a selection with straight edges by clicking to set an anchor point, just like what I did here. So let's see how it works by applying this polygonal lasso tool selection in this house. So let's start clicking from where we want to start, and then let's drag it. Okay, so let's just shape the edges of this house. Actually, that's just easy because this house has a straight edges, and that is easy for our polygonal lasso tool. And now we're gonna reach at the starting point from, and then let's connect this to it. Alright, and now we already selected the house. Yeah, you can see the outline. It's perfect because of the straight edges. Now let's remove the background. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you another video, and this is how a magnetic lasso tool works. So here I got this image of this flower. A magnetic lasso tool automatically detects to the edges of the object as you drag them around, making it easier to create a selection. Let's see how it works. To find the magnetic lasso tool, just go again in the Lasso Tool, and then it's the third tool. Now, you can see that my mouse cursor is already a brush. You can see that. And to apply it, you have to create an anchor point from where you want to start. So once I click that, you can see that it created an anchor point. You can now drag it to the edges of the image that you want to select. Right, so you can see that it magnetizes at the edges of this flower, right? And oops, you can see that I created a mistake there. So if you made a mistake here, now that's just easy to remove. You just have to click on backspace. Okay, so when I click on backspace, the last anchor point will be removed. Okay, so you see that? I just removed the other one. And now let's remove this one. Alright, now it's clear. Right now let's continue selecting this flower. Alright, so we are almost done. This is an amazing tool for selection. Alright, now I'm almost there, so let's just connect it from where we start. And now we already created a selection around this flower. And so, of course, same thing. Just click on this layer to remove the background. Okay. And that's how to make precise selection with Lasso Tool in Photoshop.